Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to our YouTube channel CognitiveCoders. I hope you guys are doing well, and today this is 24th video of our Azure Data Factory real-time scenario series. So in this video we'll try to learn how to convert the time zone using the Azure Data Factory Dataflow. Okay, so in Dataflow, whenever we are performing some kind of activity, so if we need how to convert the time zone of any kind of timestamp column or something, so how to do that we'll know. Okay, so let's go. Now, before going ahead, I want to introduce our channel. This is our channel Cognitive Coders. If you still have not subscribed and have not gone through our video, I would recommend you guys go through our earlier videos. This real-time scenarios, lots of videos are there, last 23 videos, which is very much useful if you are preparing, very much important also if you are preparing for interview. Okay, so okay, you can go to the our playlist and you can check it. Okay, so let's go to start. We can start today's topic. So we have a source data in CSV format. Okay, employee login. We can see the data how it is. Okay, so let it come. So it is taking time to load. I don't know what is the issue with. So let's see the data from here. Okay, so we have the data like this. Okay, login time, air timestamp in UTC format we have. So what we'll do, we will just convert it to the IST. So to convert UTC to IST, what we need to do, we just need to add 5 hours 30 minutes with the UTC time. Okay, we'll do that. Okay, so let's go. uh, so we'll do it using the data flow. So first we'll take debug mode already opened. Okay, already started. We'll create the data set for this data. Okay, and go to the select the file format. We can select it, ds login data. Okay, next Azure Data Flow, Azure Data Lake Storage, already link service we have created in our earlier video. You can go through that. From there we have selected, and this is our file. Okay, okay, then we can see the preview here. Here you can see the data is here, but it is in ABC. ABC means the in string format. First we need to convert it to the um, timestamp format. Okay, for that what we need to do, we'll just take the derived column. Okay, in derived column we'll select the column name. So here it is column name login timestamp. Okay, the UTC. So I will take the same, but here I will change it as IST. Okay, IST. Okay, so next what we'll do, we just create here. So we'll just create here one function. We'll not create, we'll just use the existing function to timestamp. Okay, this to timestamp you will use. Okay, so here using this to timestamp, so basically what it used to do, it will just take our timestamp which is in string format, and it will convert it to the timestamp format. Okay, so login will use our existing column which is in string. Now we'll pass the format y mm dd, it was the format hh. uh, this is the format which is in string. You can see, let it come. So you can see, so y mm and dd, then hh mm ss. So that's why it completely converted correctly. Okay, correctly in timestamp format. So the millisecond thing also it came as we converted it in timestamp. Okay, so you can see this is the timestamp sign here. So column has been converted to the timestamp format. Okay, now what we need to do, we will just add mm, add with the with this time 5:30, 5 hours 30 minutes. So for that, what we will do, once again we will go to the same expression. Okay, so here we will add hours, 5. Okay, and minute we need to add 30, minutes, 30 minutes we will add. Okay, so it will convert to the proper IST timing. Okay, so if I'll preview the data right now, so you can get to see. So 14th April 2025 to 14th April 2025. Okay, 10:18, and it is 5 hours 30 minutes added. So it is 10 means 5 hours 15 means 12 1 2 3 3:48. 30 minutes added with 18 minutes, 30 40 48. The same for 11 18 16 48. So like that it gone. Okay, we have converted UTC to IST. You can use this logic to convert the timestamp. Okay, so there is no certain function to use for this conversion. Okay, that's why we just use the mathematical thing, mathematical logic. Just we added the minute. What is the difference? We checked from the internet that UTC versus IST difference. If you check it in internet, then you will get to see it is 5:30 UTC versus IST time difference. It's 5:30 minutes, 5 hours 30 minutes. All everybody knows that. Okay, just add the same thing. Okay, and it converted. And now if you want to select only these three columns, you just use the select column. Then here you just remove this UTC wala, remove this, and just take the preview. It is, you can see. And next, if you want to sync it to the to our sync location, so you can select its sync. Then you just select the sync or our sync path. Already I have created this dataset earlier, so I will use it here. Sync folder, sync folder. Okay, okay, let me check mp sync. Okay, so it will just take you to this sync path. For sync path we have earlier two file. I will remove it for first now. Okay, if I'll refresh, you can see there is no blob. Okay, now if I will run this data flow in a pipeline, in a separate pipeline. Okay, so let's take it and let's run it. Let's see the data is gonna create or not in the data file. So now the the pipeline has successfully run. Okay, so now let's check. Yeah, the data has come, you can see. You can see the timestamp, it has added 5 hours 30 minutes has also added. Okay, so this is the way to convert the timestamp time zone. Okay, so okay, I hope you guys have understood the concept. So this kind of daily basis activity we have to perform in our industry level, and this kind of industry level real-time experience scenarios I have explained all in this playlist, this data factory real-time scenario playlist. You can go through that, creation of link service and all. For that you can go through Azure Data Factory tutorial. Okay, there are lots of playlists we have. You can go through for it. All the things are in really useful and important for your upcoming interview. I can say we are getting very much good feedback on for this interview series also. Okay, because it's all our real time. Okay, today's industry basis, whatever the in industry the companies are asking in their interview, that thing we are gathering. I am also facing during my interview what kind of question that I am that thing I'm just recording it in our video. Okay, I'm giving these things in our video. Okay, so if you still have not subscribed our channel and you're seeing our video daily basis, I would request you guys, please subscribe our channel and share with your friends, recommend with your friends and colleagues and your juniors also. Okay, so thank you for watching our video. Stay tuned for our next video. We'll see.